attorney Melody Manning, one of the attorneys with Rebein Brothers Trial Lawyers here in Tampa, Florida. Today I would like to talk with you about whether or not you should go to a hospital following the accident. First and foremost, if you think you've suffered a serious injury, be it a brain injury, injury to the spinal cord, broken bones, absolutely go to the hospital. If you're experiencing disorientation, confusion, weakness in the arms or legs, anything like that, absolutely go to the hospital. Beyond that, there are some pros and cons to going to the hospital immediately following the accident, especially when you're not experiencing any of those symptoms. The most important one to talk about is just the cost of the hospital visit. In the state of Florida, we of course have the personal injury protection no-fault insurance benefits, but it only provides up to $10,000 in benefits, and you're often subjected to a $1,000 deductible and a 20% copay. So we see it all the time where somebody goes to the hospital racks up a $20,000, $30,000 bill, and the injured party is now on the hook for $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 out of their own pocket, and all of their no-fault benefits are taken by the hospital, meaning that there's nothing left to pay for any conservative treatment or therapy or MRIs or any other evaluations by doctors. So that is a big concern. It's also important to note that at the hospital, they're not looking for whether or not you've suffered a herniated disc. They're not looking for those soft tissue types of injuries that we often see in these types of automobile cases. What they're looking for is broken bones, and the tests that are done for those, the x-rays, the CT scans, they are not able to determine whether or not you've suffered any injuries to the discs, meaning that there's nothing they're going to be able to determine that's going to help us prove your case, and you will still have to undergo MRIs if you continue to experience symptoms in the following days. So just something else to consider is that there are other ways to receive medical treatment if you are experiencing pain the day of the accident. For example, walk-in clinics, your primary care doctor. There are plenty of chiropractors and medical doctors in the Tampa Bay area that will see people the day of accidents without scheduled appointments. And these initial visits might cost between $300 and $600 as opposed to $20,000 or $30,000, and they're able to even perform x-rays in their office. So just a lot to consider in terms of whether or not to go to the hospital the day of the accident. Hopefully this never happens to you, but if you or a loved one are injured in an accident, please give us a call at 813-305-7285, and we would love to help you through the process.